Dear friends, once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a beautiful princess named Snow White. She had skin as white as snow, lips as red as blood, and hair as black as ebony. Her stepmother, the queen, was jealous of her beauty and sought to be the fairest in the land. The queen owned a magical mirror that she consulted daily. One day, the mirror revealed that Snow White was now the fairest of them all. Enraged, the queen ordered a huntsman to take Snow White into the forest and kill her. But the huntsman, moved by the prince's innocence, couldn't do it. Instead, he let her go, and Snow White fled deeper into the forest. Snow White stumbled upon a tiny cottage, which was home to 7 dwarfs. They welcomed her warmly when she explained her plight and offered her refuge. Snow White took care of the dwarfs' household, cooking and cleaning while they mined for gems. However, the queen soon discovered through her mirror that Snow White was still alive. Disguising herself as an old hag, she visited the cottage and offered Snow White a poisoned apple. Unaware of the danger, Snow White took a bite and fell into a deep, enchanted sleep. The dwarfs were heartbroken when they found Snow White lifeless. They placed her in a glass coffin in the forest, mourning her loss. Time passed, and one day a prince who had heard of Snow White's beauty came to see her. Captivated by her, he kissed her gently. The kiss broke the spell, and Snow White awoke. Overjoyed, Snow White and the prince returned to his kingdom. They were married in a grand ceremony, and Snow White's wicked stepmother was banished. Snow White and the prince lived happily ever after, while the 7 dwarfs remained their dear friends forever. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the story. If you want to hear more stories like this, please subscribe to our channel and like and share the channel link to your friends. See you in the next story. Take care.